Magni M16 Plus. The price of the Magni M16 Plus can vary depending on the configuration and options you choose. Generally, the base price starts around €59,250, approximately $65,000, and can go up to €78,800, approximately $85,000, or more for fully equipped models with additional features. The Magni M16 Plus, a versatile and high-performance gyroplane designed for both training and leisure flying. Equipped with a Rotorvox 915 is turbocharged engine delivering 141 horsepower, the M16 Plus offers impressive cruising and climbing capabilities. Its tandem seating and open canopy provide an exhilarating flying experience, while advanced avionics ensure safety and ease of use. With its robust build and exceptional performance, the Magni M16 Plus is the perfect choice for pilots looking to elevate their flying adventures. Autogyro Calidus. Introducing the Autogyro Calidus, a sleek and innovative gyroplane designed for both leisure and professional use. This German-made aircraft features a fully enclosed, two-seat cockpit with a complete aerodynamic fairing, ensuring smooth airflow and enhanced performance. Powered by a Rotorvox 912 engine delivering 75 kilowatts, 101 horsepower, the Calidus boasts a cruise speed of 160 kilometers per hour, 99 miles per hour, and a range of 800 kilometers, 500 miles. Its sharp aerodynamics and comfortable cabin make it a popular choice for flight schools, sightseeing, and law enforcement. The price of the Autogyro Calidus varies depending on the engine configuration and additional options. The base price for a factory-built model starts at around €110,000, approximately $120,000. Autogyro MTS Port. The Autogyro MTS Port is priced starting at approximately €83,260, around $90,000, for the base model with the Rotorvox 914 UL engine. Introducing the Autogyro MTS Port, a high-performance gyroplane that combines elegance with functionality. This German-engineered aircraft features a Rotorvox 915 engine delivering 115 horsepower, providing a top speed of 120 miles per hour and a range of 330 miles. The MTS Port boasts a tandem open cockpit for an exhilarating flying experience, and its stainless steel airframe ensures durability and easy maintenance. With options for amphibious floats and night VFR, the MTS Port is perfect for both leisure and professional use, offering unmatched versatility and safety. Xun Voyager X2. The Xun Voyager X2, a next-generation electric vertical takeoff and landing (eVTOL) aircraft designed for personal air travel. This sleek, compact vehicle offers zero-emission flight, automatic navigation, and advanced safety features, making urban air mobility a reality. Powered by 8 electric motors, the Voyager X2 can reach a top speed of 130 kilometers per hour, 81 miles per hour, and offers a flight time of 35 minutes. Its construction comprises a blend of carbon fiber composite and aviation aluminum, ensuring both aesthetics and performance. With features like distributed electric propulsion, DP, for redundancy and autonomous return capabilities, the Xun Voyager X2 is set to revolutionize the skies. Argon GTL Triple 916. The Argon GTL Triple 916, a groundbreaking gyroplane that redefined versatility and performance. This three-seater aircraft is powered by a Rotorvox 916 engine delivering 160 horsepower, providing a top speed of 200 kilometers per hour, 124 miles per hour, and a range of 1,000 kilometers, 621 miles, with its 130-liter fuel tank. The GTL Triple 916 features a spacious cabin with heated seats, touchscreen controls, and advanced avionics, including a Garmin GX3 autopilot. With its carbon fiber and aramid sandwich construction, the GTL Triple 916 offers exceptional durability and a smooth flight experience, making it perfect for both leisure and professional use. The ELA Eclipse, a high-performance gyrocopter designed for the ultimate flying experience. This two-seater aircraft features a Rotorvox 914 engine delivering 115 horsepower with a cruise speed of 160 kilometers per hour and a range of 600 kilometers. The enclosed cockpit offers a spacious and comfortable cabin, complete with navigation and strobe lights, engine monitoring system, and seat heating. The ELA Eclipse is built with advanced safety features and a sleek design, making it the perfect choice for both recreational and professional pilots. The ELA Eclipse gyrocopter is priced at approximately €129,000, around $140,000. ELA Eclipse Evo. The ELA Eclipse Evo, a high-performance gyroplane that combines cutting-edge technology with luxurious comfort. Powered by a Rotorvox 915 engine delivering 140 horsepower, the Eclipse Evo boasts a top speed of 200 kilometers per hour and a range of 600 kilometers. Its spacious cabin, equipped with Dynon Skyview HDX display, seat heating, and luggage compartments, ensures a comfortable and enjoyable flight experience. With advanced safety features like navigation and strobe lights, the Eclipse Evo is designed to provide a safe and exhilarating journey for both pilots and passengers. The price of the ELA Eclipse Evo gyrocopter is approximately €129,000, around $140,000. This price can vary based on customization options and additional features. Magna M24 Plus. The Magna M24 Plus, a top-tier gyroplane that blends performance with comfort. This advanced aircraft features a fully enclosed, side-by-side two-seat configuration, powered by a Rotorvox 915 turbocharged 141 horsepower engine. The M24 Plus offers exceptional cruising and climbing capabilities, making it ideal for both work and leisure. With its closed canopy, it ensures enhanced protection and comfort, allowing for year-round flying. Crafted with high-quality materials and advanced avionics, the Magna M24 Plus promises a smooth, enjoyable flight experience for aviation enthusiasts. The price of the Magna M24 Plus can vary depending on the configuration and options you choose. Generally, the base price starts around €59,250 and can go up to €81,800 or more for fully equipped models with additional features. Rotorvox C2A. Introducing the Rotorvox C2A, a state-of-the-art gyroplane that combines German engineering excellence with cutting-edge aviation technology. This two-seater autogyro features a Rotorvox 914 turbocharged engine delivering 98 horsepower and boasts a cruise speed of 90 miles per hour with a range of 370 miles. The C2A's carbon fiber monocoque construction ensures durability and lightweight performance, while its side-by-side seating and closed canopy provide comfort and protection for both pilot and passenger. With its exceptional flight characteristics and easy handling, the Rotorvox C2A is perfect for both experienced pilots and newcomers to gyroplane flying. The Rotorvox C2A gyroplane is priced at approximately €160,000, around $175,000. Airgyro AG 915 Spartan. The Airgyro AG 915 Spartan gyrocopter is priced at approximately $135,000 for the kit version. The Airgyro AG 915 Spartan, a high-performance gyrocopter designed for both leisure and professional use. This aircraft features a spacious side-by-side cabin with enhanced visibility, thanks to windows in the floor, roof, and door. Powered by a Rotorvox 915S engine, the Spartan delivers a top speed of 115 miles per hour and a cruise speed of 90 miles per hour, with a range of 400+ miles. Its high-inertia composite rotor blades ensure safety and stability, even in the event of an engine failure. With options for customization, including heated leather seats and advanced avionics, the Airgyro AG 915 Spartan is the perfect choice for those seeking a versatile and reliable gyrocopter. Breezer Sport. Introducing the Breezer Sport, a high-performance ultralight aircraft designed for speed and efficiency. This two-seater features a sleek aluminum construction, a Rotorvox 915S engine delivering 135 horsepower, and a top speed of 270 kilometers per hour, 168 miles per hour. The Breezer Sport boasts retractable landing gear, Fowler flaps for improved low-speed handling, and a spacious cabin with side-by-side seating. With its advanced aerodynamics and powerful performance, the Breezer Sport is perfect for pilots seeking an exhilarating and versatile flying experience. Autogyro Classic. The Autogyro MTS Classic, a reliable and versatile gyroplane that has been a favorite among pilots since its introduction in 2003. Known for its rugged stainless steel airframe and easy maintenance, the MTS Classic is equipped with either a Rotorvox 912 ULS or 914 UL engine, providing a safe and enjoyable flying experience. With a 68-liter fuel tank offering a range of up to 3 hours, and a top speed of 180 kilometers per hour, 112 miles per hour, this gyroplane is perfect for both leisure and professional use. Its proven design and extensive service history make the Autogyro MTS Classic a trusted choice for gyroplane enthusiasts around the world. Aerocopter AC20. The Aerocopter AC20, a high-performance gyrocopter designed for both leisure and professional flying. This Austrian-built aircraft features a Rotorvox 914 engine delivering 115 horsepower, providing a top speed of 195 kilometers per hour, 121 miles per hour, and a cruise speed of 165 kilometers per hour, 103 miles per hour. The AC-20 boasts a fully enclosed cockpit with a bubble canopy, tricycle landing gear, and short wings for enhanced stability. Its carbon fiber and Kevlar construction ensures durability and crash protection, while the 70-liter fuel capacity offers extended range. With its sleek design and advanced features, the Aerocopter AC20 is the perfect choice for pilots seeking a thrilling and reliable flying experience. The Aerocopter AC20 gyrocopter has a starting price of approximately €165,000, around $180,000. Aeronex Flying Gondola. Introducing the Aeronex Flying Gondola, a revolutionary air mobility concept that redefines the flying experience. This hybrid VTOL, vertical takeoff and landing, aircraft combines rotary and fixed wings, equipped with Aeronex's proprietary 4D gravity technology for unparalleled stability and comfort. The Flying Gondola offers a smooth and safe ride, with minimal swaying, and allows passengers to enjoy breathtaking aerial views from its glass-enclosed cabin 1. With remote-controlled automatic navigation, there's no need for a pilot, making it accessible to everyone. Trixie Aviation G4-2R. The Trixie Aviation G4-2R, an Austrian autogyro designed for 2 passengers. This aircraft features a Rotorvox 912S engine delivering 100 horsepower and boasts a maximum speed of 185 km per hour and a cruise speed of 160 km per hour. The G4-2R has a 2 seats in tandem enclosed cockpit, tricycle landing gear, and a stainless steel tube frame with a carbon fiber cockpit for durability and lightweight performance. With its 8.4 m diameter rotor and 35-liter fuel tank, the G4-2R offers a smooth and efficient flight experience. DTA gyro 914. The DTA gyro 914, a versatile and stylish gyrocopter designed for both leisure and professional flying. This French-made aircraft features a Rotorvox 914 turbocharged engine delivering 115 horsepower, providing a top speed of 180 km per hour and a cruising speed of 160 km per hour. The gyro 914 offers a spacious and luxurious cabin with removable butterfly doors for open-air flying in warm weather and an enclosed cockpit for cooler conditions. Equipped with modern avionics, including Canardia EMSAs and an iPad dock, the gyro 914 ensures a high-tech and enjoyable flight experience. With its elegant design and exceptional performance, the DTA gyro 914 is perfect for pilots seeking a thrilling and comfortable flying adventure. The DTA gyro 914 gyrocopter is priced at approximately €110,000, around $120,000. Aviom G2A Genesis. The Aviom G2A Genesis, a cutting-edge gyroplane designed for both training and recreational flying. This two-seater autogyro features a Rotorvox 914 turbocharged engine delivering 115 horsepower, providing a top speed of 190 km per hour, 120 miles per hour, and a cruise speed of 120 to 150 km per hour, 75 to 90 miles per hour. The Genesis boasts a triangular airframe for enhanced pilot protection, a Kevlar-reinforced fuel tank, and a composite fairing for improved aerodynamics. With its exceptional stability, safety, and performance, the Aviom G2A Genesis is the perfect choice for pilots seeking a reliable and thrilling flying experience. The Aviom G2A Genesis gyroplane is priced starting at approximately €62,600, around $68,000, for the base model with the Rotorvox 912 ULS engine.